Hey guys, this is Ben with Peak Sodding. We are doing a pool installation today, or a sod around a pool installation today. And I wanted to answer a question that we often get when it relates to the soil conditions of your yard. As you can see, this yard that I'm walking in right now is completely hard rock clay. A lot of times, especially in Holly Springs, Cary, Fuquay, where there's just constantly these new developments going up in the past 5 to 10 years, what'll happen is that you're left with a predominantly fill dirt clay soil. Over time, it just gets super compact and it makes it a really hard place to be able to grow grass because water flows terribly off of it. It makes it really difficult for roots to grow and for grass to stay thick. So what do we recommend when you have a clay soil? Well, we recommend a couple things. First, you want to consider the grass type. More aggressively growing grasses like Bermuda and Zoysia tend to perform really well in clay soil just because they do have a better time and they grow more effectively in the harder soil, especially as moisture gets into that ground and loosens it up a little bit. The second thing, though, that we're going to be really hard on recommending is just this topsoil and the preparation process. We really try to approach clay installations by tilling up the soil as best as we can with the surface layer. But then it also really is important to bring in big loads of dirt like the loads that we have here, because what that allows is not only a loose and good, even flat surface for us to put that new sod down, but that extra layer of topsoil also means that it's going to be much better and more effective with moisture retention. That moisture retention goes a very long way. When you have a clay soil and moisture retention just tends to flow right off of it, by having a good topsoil layer, it's going to make that water sit a lot longer, thus allowing your grass to hang on to that water and absorb it a lot longer of a period as well. It just means less watering for you, and it's going to allow your grass to be a lot thicker, a lot healthier, and a lot more vibrant and long-standing in the long haul. So I hope that answers your guys' question as far as how to best approach an installation with clay soil. But again, just let us know if you have any questions like this, and we are always happy to help however we can. Thanks, guys. Have a great one.